All right, everyone, it's time for our math question of the day. Yeah. So today I'm going to show you first how to solve yesterday's math question of the day, and then we'll go over what today's math question of the day is. So yesterday our question was a story problem about my dog, Moo. Hi, Moo Moo. In yesterday's math question of the day, Moo had 9 treats in his bed. Maple came along and took 2 of them. How many treats does Moo have left? I saw a lot of really cool ways that friends solved this problem. So I'm just going to show you a couple of the examples and then maybe 1 or 2 ways that you could also solve this that we did not think of. So first, I saw a lot of friends act out the story either using actual dog treats, Legos, or blocks, things like that. So right here we've got 9 treats. I put them into a 5 group. So remember, boys and girls, that's when you have a group of 5 at the top and then the extra ones to make your number at the bottom. So here's our 9. We've got 5 and 4. And then Maple's going to come along and take 2. So I can take those away, and then I can see that there are 7 left because it's 5 and 2, and that makes 7. So that's one way that you could have solved this problem. Another way, you could have drawn a picture. So for this, again, I have my 5 group. So I have 5 at the top and then 4 at the bottom. And then all I would have to do is erase or cross out 2 of these. So I'll just erase these 2. And now I can see that there are 7 left. Another way that you could do it, you could use your fingers. I won't be able to show this on camera because I'm holding the camera with one of my hands, but you would have 5 fingers up on one hand, 4 up on the other, and then just put 2 fingers down, and then you would see that you have 7 fingers up still. You can also just write out your thinking with a number sentence. So 9, because that's how many we started with, take away minus 2 equals 7. So the number sentence is great for showing Mrs. Getch that you understand the kind of problem that the math question of the day is. So with this, I can see that you understand that the takeaway means minus. So that's really cool. Another way you could solve it is by making a number bond. So here, I just used the information that we have from the story, that there were 9 altogether, and then 2 get taken away. So then I'm left with this missing part, and my job is to figure out what goes in this missing part. And then I can use any of the other strategies to figure out what goes here, or another strategy you can use is counting on. So we could start at 2 and then keep track with our fingers how many times we'd have to count to get to 9. So I'll show you what that kind of looks like. It'll be a little different because I'll have to use just one hand. So bear with me. So we start at 2. That's where we're starting. Then we would go 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I would see that I had to put 7 more fingers up to get to 9. So you could figure out what you need by doing that. You could also count back. So you could start at 9 and then count backwards 2 times. So you could go 9 and then count backwards 8, 7, and then whatever you landed on is your 7. That's why you have your number line in your binder if you still have it on that homework helper sheet. You could start at the number 9, count backwards 2 times, see that you would land on 7, or start at the number 2, count how many times you'd have to get until you land on the number 9. I don't have your homework helper with me, but we can actually let's make a number line really quick because you can do this at home too if you don't know where your binder homework helper is. So let's just make this number line go to 10, and this will be 0. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So then for this math problem, I could start here at number 9 and then count backwards 2 times. 1, 2. I landed on the number 7. Or if I wanted to, I could start here at number 2 and then count how long it takes me to get to number 9. So I could start here and then I would count each time I jump like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I have my answer that way too. So there are a lot of different ways that you could have solved yesterday's math question of the day. Here is today's math question of the day. Yeah. This is a silly one, but I think you guys are going to like it. Moo has 7 treats now, just like you all told me. Connor, the sketch's husband, thinks that the treats are for people, and he eats 2 of them. How many treats does Moo have left? So again, you can use any of these different strategies that we've come up with to solve your math problems. And if you think of a different way to solve it, let me know. I really love seeing how you guys are thinking and solving these problems. And tomorrow we'll go over and see how many treats poor Moo has left. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.